As we navigate the challenges posed by the COVID-19 pandemic, virtual solutions like Zoom have become integral to remote learning for over 700 universities and colleges worldwide. Zoom, an American communications technology company, has revolutionized online education by offering video and audio conferencing, chat, and distance education services. This shift has sparked a broader conversation about the necessity of physical spaces for education. While some argue that traditional classrooms are essential for group learning and social interaction, advancements in VR technology challenge this notion. Imagine attending a university lecture from the comfort of your own home, donning a VR headset to immerse yourself in a virtual classroom environment. With realistic graphics and haptic sensors simulating sight and touch, VR has the potential to redefine the educational experience. Picture sitting in a virtual lecture hall, listening to an AI-generated Albert Einstein deliver a lecture on general relativity. The possibilities are limitless, transcending the constraints of physical space and time. However, the integration of VR into education raises important considerations. Concerns about the impact on social development, particularly for children, are valid. While VR technology may reshape the educational landscape, it should complement rather than replace traditional schooling. The goal is not to eliminate physical contact or presence, but to enhance the learning process through innovative technology. Writing, a relatively recent invention in human history, has transformed how we convey and receive information. However, our brains are wired for visual learning, making traditional methods of information dissemination, such as reading, inherently inefficient. The marriage of VR technology and visual learning promises to revolutionize education, providing a more immersive and effective learning experience. Extended reality, XR, which encompasses VR, augmented reality, AR, and mixed reality, MR, holds even greater potential for education. By seamlessly blending virtual and physical worlds, XR offers a dynamic and interactive learning environment that caters to diverse learning styles and preferences. In conclusion, the evolution of VR in education represents a transformative shift in how we acquire knowledge and skills. By embracing virtual solutions, we can unlock new possibilities for education, transcending the limitations of traditional classrooms and paving the way for a more engaging and inclusive learning experience. As we embrace the future of education, VR serves as a bridge between the past and the promise of tomorrow. We hope you found this enlightening. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.